throw this in the trash.
Okay, count.
I can rip it.
Maybe to stick my finger. No.
No. I'm almost there.
You got it.
I just got the mom dad for it.
Show it. Oh.
Show it to the kids.
Next color.
Now made it in white later.
Extra shiny in the camera. Now throw all this out and you can open this.
This time is maybe my present. For the naked baby.
Cupid.
No, Cupid is the told the naked baby. No, don't touch my present. From Elfit the naked baby. Where the toys are driving. I think I know that puppy.
Scissors. Let's start cutting the cardboard part. Is that the mini boat that goes on it?
Uh-huh. Now it's the big one.
It's like a car, and then the little boat goes on top.
Happy Valentine's Day.